Daithí. So if you're interested in Druidry or Irish paganism or anything like that, the first place to start, if you haven't started already, is not with books on Druidry or books on Irish paganism. First place to start is with the mythology. So with that in mind, I wanted to share my favourite author, my favourite scholarly academic Irish author. And he is the first port of call that I recommend, and it is Daithí hÓgáin. Sorry, I'm just shuffling books here. Dr. Daithí hÓgáin, or Professor Daithí hÓgáin, I believe. So this one, which I've lost the dust jacket to, is the Encyclopedia of Myth, Legend and Romance. And there is a newer release of this, which is smaller and thicker, and it's got like a bluish cover with maybe a castle on the front, I think. So I've had my one for quite a while, but this is absolutely invaluable. And I did have the pleasure of working with Daithí hÓgáin as a colleague for a while before he died. He presented when I was running the Heritage Centre in Rathcroghan. He presented at a conference, and we were in touch a little bit about various bits and pieces. I had the honour of a number of discussions with him. So may he rest in peace. But you know what you're going to get in this encyclopedia is just you can't find the quality in one single collection anywhere else that I found. So if you only buy one book this year on Irish paganism, or you know, who only buys one book a year? I don't know, but you know, maybe there are people. If you have a choice of books that you need to buy and you have a waiting list, as many of us do, make it this one, okay? So again, it is the Encyclopedia of Myth, Legend and Romance by Dr. Daithí hÓgáin. Okay, and there's bonus of how to pronounce his name, Daithí hÓgáin. Okay, and the second one that I want to show you is his work as well. It is The Sacred Isle, so Belief and Religion in Pre-Christian Ireland. So the reason that I love this one so much is because it's Irish specific. A lot of the scholarly work you'll find will be under a Celtic label, and I just love that, you know, that this is just Ireland. So I'm just going to read you from the back cover. A clear and comprehensive survey of the lore and rituals of pre-Christian Ireland combines the evidence from folklore, early literature and archaeology to establish ancient views of the other worlds and its interface with human life. Excuse the dog's nails clicking on the floor. That's my Russ. Our Russ, not just mine. Our family dog, little Jack Russell. Commences with the earliest known settlements in Ireland and proceeds to a discussion of Druidic teaching and practice as far as the introduction of Christianity, sheds light on the connections between ideas, narratives and material artefacts, detailed with copious notes and supplemented with an outstanding bibliography. So it will definitely give you further reading. And I mean, as you can see, I have been through this one multiple times. I'm one of those people that takes notes. So there's many notes in the margins and stuff. Yes, I'm one of those people because I keep my books for life, and it's just fascinating. I mean, I've had this one for so long. Even looking back at my notes, you know, the notes that I was taking, the things that were interesting me are just really fascinating to me personally. But highly recommend the work of Daithí hÓgáin. He has a couple of other books, which I didn't actually dig out, on superstitions and the lore of place names. And I mean, really just, you know, look up his name and you'll find multiple publications. And I highly recommend them. So if you like his work, comment below, let me know. and if you found it valuable, tell me why. Okay, so do like and subscribe to the video and the channel and get your notifications and all the rest of it. And my website is loraobrien.ie, and if you sign up there, I do have regular content, regular videos that are coming out, and you can get notifications because I will let you know, because I do a weekly resources email, so I'll be including the resources that I have created and posted each week going forward as well. So slán go fóill, and I'll see you in the next video.